Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use one-time view in WhatsApp. This privacy feature allows you to send photos and videos that can only be opened once by the recipient. It's perfect for sharing sensitive or temporary media, ensuring it doesn't remain on their device. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy for you to start using it right away. To send a view once photo or video, first open any chat in WhatsApp. Tap the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip, and choose Gallery to select your media. After picking your photo or video, you'll see a small circle with the number 1 inside it, located near the Send button. Tap this one icon to enable the View Once setting, then send your media. When you send media with View Once enabled, the recipient will see a message indicating photo or video with a 1 icon rather than a preview. Once they tap to open it, the media will display, and after they close it, it disappears from the chat. Importantly, they cannot save, forward, star, or share this media, enhancing its temporary nature. While View Once offers enhanced privacy, there are a few key things to remember. Recipients can still take a screenshot or screen recording of the media before it disappears. Also, if the media isn't opened within 14 days, it will automatically expire from the chat. This feature applies only to the media itself and does not prevent the forwarding of text messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.